are considered to be the people's historians. Through public murals and other art, they document the world they see. But sometimes their version of history can be considered too controversial.
Pacific Standard Times exhibits are a bit more potent, like the Murales Rebeldes retrospective in downtown LA, featuring murals that were previously censored, whitewashed, or destroyed.
A mural that was censored and hidden from sight for nearly 3 decades is back on display now at Union Station in downtown LA.
Hoy comenzó a exhibirse en Union Station, en el centro de Los Ángeles, un mural que fue censurado hace unos 30 años.
This is fabulous. An LAPD officer busted out some really fancy footwork at a party in downtown LA. Officer Jeffrey Booker showed off his salsa dancing skills at the Plaza de Cultura y Artes.
And a benefit concert in downtown Los Angeles to help those impacted by 2 recent natural disasters.
Esta tarde, aquí en Los Ángeles, se lleva a cabo un evento de recaudación de fondos para seguir ayudando.
A Lollapalooza celebration in downtown LA for the man known as the father of Chicano music.
La Plaza de la Cultura y Artes en Los Ángeles se convirtió hoy en el escenario ideal para celebrar el Día de los Muertos.
Check it out, what's new at LA Schools, a mobile classroom. It's teaching students across Los Angeles all about nutrition, history, and culture.
Troca Sembrando Cultura y Nutrición es un programa móvil totalmente instruccional que hoy hace una parada en la escuela primaria para los niños.
I came to La Plaza about 3 years ago because I saw a real opportunity here to expand the level of services and programming that we do in our community and to help reestablish La Plaza as the cultural hub of Latino Los Angeles.